Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Viber not sending photos problem. Now if you are trying to send photo on Viber as message and it is not being sent and there is a problem on your iPhone and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, you need to simply make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and after that open App Store on a device and search Viber. So after opening Viber, make sure that your Viber is up to date. So if there is any update available, click on the option of update to update it on a device. After that open Viber and try to send the photo as message to your friends or families. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, you need to go to settings and you need to click on general, and after that you need to click on iPhone storage. So after that you need to scroll down until you see the option of Viber. So click on it and click on offload app. So after offloading the app, it will help you to free up some storage and also help you to fix the error or box which is happening on your Viber. So after doing that, click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again on your device. Wait for it to get reinstalled. So after doing that, it will help you to fix the problem of not sending photo as a problem on Viber. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.